Hi, Laren.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. So I kind of had a question. Did you do the homework?
Yeah.
Okay. So on, I think it's the last one. On the last one, it wanted us to use the LA Saturn winter file or whatever. So I noticed that some of them didn't have like a, didn't have the mileage, like it had all the prices, but some of them didn't have the mileage. Do we use those that don't have the mileage, or are we supposed to like not use those? Because when I came up, my SXY was not the same as theirs. So I was wondering.
Let me look and see if I still have it in there. I can't remember what I did, but
Yeah, and I don't remember anything.
you didn't say anything anywhere.
In the lesson about like you have to have both of them, like the first and the second. You can't just have one.
Oh yeah, I haven't done that yet. I didn't do the last page yet.
Oh, okay.
So no, I haven't finished that part.
Okay.
But there's some that's missing. Is that what you're saying? Oh, I see, on the car thing.
Yeah, some of the data isn't there, and so I don't think we use those. But I'm not quite sure because I don't remember.
If we don't have both bills, then we don't use them, I don't think.
Okay, that's what I was assuming, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah, because then it wouldn't.
Other than that, I don't think I have any questions. It seems pretty
Straightforward.
Yeah, easy. I mean, I think the hardest part is knowing if you look at like a scatter plot, if it's moderate, strong, or weak. I think that's the part that I have the most trouble with.
Yeah.
Because some of them I was like, is that moderate or strong? I don't know. So.
Yeah. Kind of like you can kind of tell they're going that way, but does that mean they're strong or moderate?
Yeah. Yeah, other than that.
How'd you do on your test?
I think I got a 92.
I got like an 85. It's like the worst I've done. I was like, I do not know what I did wrong. But there was these 2 questions. Like, I could not remember how to do them. Like, I was freaking out. And then I think I just made myself like brain block.
Mm-hmm.
And so.
Yeah. Well, the questions where it's like, oh, what type of test? I was like, hey, like I tried to study those.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, well,
I'm pretty sure I missed all those. That's probably why I got an 85.
I just was like, I have no idea. And I still don't have any idea.
I know.
Like, I don't know.
I should probably meet with him to figure out
what I did wrong, because
Yeah, that's the worst I've done. But let me text Cheryl and see if she remembers. There another invite. Oh, there she is.
Yeah.
Hello.
I couldn't get it to load today.
Oh, gotcha.
So.
All right. Did you do the homework?
I did.
On the last?
The very last problem, the number was off.
Yeah.
I got a different number.
Me too.
I didn't do that one yet, but we're wondering if you don't use the ones that there's a blank on the mileage.
Yeah, because
that's what I was wondering. It probably had to have something to do with all those blanks in there. Okay. But
yeah. All right.
Yeah, I put a message up on the question board. Nobody answered it though.
Oh. So. I didn't even look at those.
Yeah, I don't think anybody does.
All right. Did you have any questions?
I don't like the leaving it up to interpretation thing because it's like it's really a matter of opinion, sort of.
Yeah.
If it's moderate or if it's weak.
Right.
So looks like a bunch of dots to me.
I know. I don't know what that could be.
Yeah.
But
hey.
Anyway.
All right. So I guess yes. Okay. Are y'all at number 3 yet?
Well, I'm downloading my files.
Okay.
They're not opening. Must be just a bad day.
Yeah.
My laptop's having a bad day
It took me 15 minutes. Yeah, it took me 15 minutes to get Gmail loaded and up, and then once I got the Google Hangout, it didn't want me to join. And okay. Feels like a Monday.
Yeah, my day started like today. I turned off my alarm and went back to sleep. I never do that. What am I doing?
Okay.
All right.
So I got that.
Direction and strength.
A linear
relationship.
Yep.
Okay. And one variable increases.
Okay.
Doesn't it? I think I remember that it said the other one tends to decrease.
Hey, that's what I kind of think too, but I'm like trying to.
I'm looking at my notes.
This way.
Yeah.
If one increases. I don't have. I don't think I have that in my.
It would be opposite. If the correlation coefficient is negative, that means if one is increasing, the other would need to decrease.
Okay.
Because they're
opposite.
Opposite, so they're. Is what I understand.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that one. I just couldn't remember for sure.
So negative, but what if it's positive? They're both increasing.
Yes.
Or they're both decreasing. Either way,
yes.
They're either the same.
They both follow the same direction. Yeah.
Okay. Writing that down. It is significant. So
it is significant.
So that it's false, right?
No, it's true. It is significant. Oh, it says is not significant.
Right.
Yeah, so we want to say
not
false.
Significant. Okay, false. See, I would have glossed right over that. Not.
I hope my laptop works. It wasn't working for me earlier, so. So we want to put the duration first, right? On the.
They say it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Okay, I was wondering if it did.
Unless they specify, but
okay.
I remember saying that it didn't matter.
Did you get 13.978?
Hold on. Still pasting all my information.
Oh, for the covariance? Yeah, 13.9778.
So it does it pay to do it 3 decimals? It's round 3 decimals.
Okay.
So 13.978.
All right, now we get to figure out the directions. So I'm saying positive. And
I would say it's a positive strong.
Yeah, because
they're all kind of grouped in them, like they're tightly grouped, I guess.
Yeah.
Plus the
yes,
R.
and the R is close to 1 as a 0.9. So I think that they would say it's a strong positive.
Yeah.
Okay, I do not understand how to do these. Like, how do we know these? This drives me nuts.
On number 1, I have just a X. I don't know what that means.
You have an X for number 1?
Yeah, I don't have a graph.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Let me see if I click on it. I have graphs for 2. You know, there's a chart for 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6, but on number 1,
So
I
number
just
one,
have
it's just a straight positive.
yeah, it's a.
So
it won't even.
It's probably
okay.
1.
So I took notes because when it was telling us all about that in the lesson, I like copy and pasted all that information. So I was like, I'm not going to remember this. So if R is equal to 1, there is a perfect positive linear relationship.
Right,
X
like
and
they
Y.
all follow the line.
So
One would
1
be-
is R equals positive 1.
On number 1?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
R
So on graph the 4, that would be like a negative 1. Can you see that?
Yes, that would be R equals negative 1.
So the number 1 is R equals 1, right?
Mm-hmm. And then number 4 would be R equals negative 1. And then, so like R is an approximately, so that would be R equals 0.95, and then R equals negative 0.95. We can, what the definition is we can conclude that the relationship between X and Y is very strong and positive for the positive one. So I would probably say
Number 2 is the.
yeah, number 2 is R equals 0.95.
Yeah.
And then
5.
5 would be R equals negative 0.5. And then, so R equals 0.
Is that what the 3?
It would be 3 because it doesn't go like up or down. It kind of just is like.
Okay.
And then 6 would be R equals negative 0.6.
Okay. So I have 4, 2, 5, 6, 1, 3.
Mine's in different order than that.
Oh. Maybe our.
Yeah.
They
our
might be
options might be different. Do you want me to read them off?
Yeah.
So we have, okay,
yeah.
so I'm going to read like the option and then what it is. So we have graph 2 equals 0.95.
Yeah.
Okay.
Graph 1 is R equals 1.
Okay.
Graph 6, R equals negative 0.6.
Okay.
Graph 4 is R equals negative 1.
Okay.
Graph 3, R equals 0.
Okay.
Graph 5, R equals negative 0.95.
Okay.
That's.
They're all in different order, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. That's good.
So for question 9, did you guys get 11.182?
Yes.
On a second. $11.182.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this one I would guess would be a positive moderate, but there's not.
Yeah, so
It has to be strong then, doesn't it?
I don't know, because they're...
It's closer to 1 than it is to 0.
Oh, wow. Yeah, see, that's what I would say that's moderate too. But the R is 0.7, so it's close.
Yeah, 0.7.
I mean, I don't know.
Oh yeah, 7 too. So, but it is closer to 1 than it is to 0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it's weak, but I guess. Oh.
I'm going to say positive strong.
Me too.
If R is close to 1, is evidence of a strong, positive, linear relationship between the two variables. That's what I read. So I would say positive strong too.
Oh, we're done. Uh-oh. I missed some.
Oh no.
Wasn't the got the correlation? I got number 9 wrong. Yeah. Wait, hold on. I got both correlation. Oh, number 6 and number 9 are both wrong.
Oh no.
So why? Unless we have to do them by hand and we get a different number.
Okay, I want to.
So we would do our R. Let's see. I'll do.
So R is 0.728 times.
And then we do by SX and by SY.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we get another different number if we do them by hand.
So why is that?
Oh yeah, that's weird.
I don't know, but I just did the one that I had in there, so it was this, the number 9, and I got, when I times those all together, I got 11.1897. So it would be 11.190.
Yeah, I did it too, and that's interesting. We might want to bring that up and say that it might be a good thing to do it by hand. I don't know. That's weird that the Excel sheet would do it differently. I wonder.
Yeah, it's off just slightly. So the other one, the one before, is 13.976.
So are you timesing by the one that's on the graph? That are those numbers right?
They should be. I mean, I did it, but yeah, by the R, by the
Uh-huh.
S, the standard deviation of X and Y, times all those together, and it comes up slightly different. So for number 6, I got 13.976. And for 9, I got 11.190.
Hmm.
But did you guys turn yours in yet?
Yeah, I did once. Okay, let's see.
No, I didn't. So I can.
All right.
Do you want me to check?
Changes it. Yeah.
So I changed my 2 answers. So I still missed 2, and it's still the correlation coefficient.
Wow.
What's going on with that?
Because that's
Yeah.
where in the homework and stuff, I always look
Yep.
at that one. And it was the same. Wait a second. Our correlation coefficient is R. We're not looking at the covariance.
Oh,
We're doing the wrong ones. That's why. So R is the thing that we need to be typing in.
oh.
I was just like, wait a second. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. So our correlation coefficient is R.
Okay.
So that means
Okay. Correlation. It asked for the correlation coefficient and we put in the covariance.
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
So it's the first one is 0.901. Is that right?
Okay. So I have 0.728. That's for.
Which one am I on? Let's see.
So number 9 is 0.901.
Right.
And number 6 is like 0.728 or something like that.
Yeah. 7.
So I gotta repaste my information.
Was it 0.728?
728. Yeah, that's what I have.
That's familiar.
That was number 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then number 9 is 0.910.
I think it's 01.
901.
901.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
my gosh, my things are in a different order again.
Oh no.
My clock.
Do you want me to tell you them right now? I wrote them down.
Okay, I think I.
Okay, we still got those wrong. I don't know why. Oh no. What?
Put the right one in the right one.
Yeah, I did. I know. We don't. Hmm. I have no idea what it means then. I don't know it.
Decimal places. So on 6, you put 0.728, and that is wrong.
6 would be 0.901, because that wasn't the Old Faithful one first.
Number 6 says Old Faithful, yeah. Okay. Let's try Old.
So wait, maybe I put them in the wrong ones. For
Because
number 9 or number 6 or whatever.
Number 6 wants Old Faithful.
And then number 7 was the
Math, right? Maybe I put them in. Wait, what numbers did you guys put in? Maybe I put them in the wrong order. For number 6, what did you do?
Number 6 is 0.901.
Oh, see, that's what I did wrong. I put them in the wrong ones. So
Hang on. We'll see. I don't know.
0.901. Okay, because I got.
yeah, I think that's what I did. Is I just
Yeah, you put them in opposite.
That's,
Because I got them right.
okay. Yeah, so that's just what I did.
I was like, if that's not it, then what are we going to do?
I know. I was trying to figure that out. I was like, okay.
Okay, I obviously missed something on this lesson. Okay, so we probably should talk about our data.
I haven't counted mine up yet.
I haven't either.
Okay. Then I just looked at my thing today.
What we have to.
Yeah, I just looked at the recording, what we have to submit. And
It's not due till next week, isn't it?
No, we
No,
needed
it's
to submit
this
something
Saturday.
Thursday night.
or
Thursday, I thought.
Is
Due
it
date
Thursday?
2. Isn't due date 2 on Thursday?
Yeah. But I thought in the instructions, in the beginning of the week, I thought he came back and said, sorry about the misunderstanding. It's not due till next week, but
Oh.
oh, I got an email. That's what I did.
Yeah.
But didn't you say it's due date 2 of week 12, and that's Thursday?
I think our due date 2 is Saturday because all of our homeworks have to be in. All our homework quizzes have to be in on
Saturday.
by Saturday. So it's on Saturday that we have to turn it in. Yeah, all of our homework quizzes. We have to do our what are those things called? Our group quizzes and stuff.
Yeah.
By certain days, but our homeworks are all due on Saturday. So that's.
I'm looking for my email that I got.
Okay.
I wish you could get to your email from the main iLearn page.
Okay.
Yeah, so it says you sent said I made a mistake in the announcements that I posted today, which was last Friday.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it had said July or something. That was for a previous semester.
Yeah.
Not due until next week. So I guess that means this Saturday, right?
Mm-hmm.
I would think so.
Okay. So if we just have all our data ready on Thursday, then we can.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Got it. Okay. Perfect. All right.
Okay. Sounds good.
See you on Thursday.
Yep.
Thanks. Bye.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.